to another episode. Kiran, so today, do you remember when you first started reversing it down the ramp and putting your boat or your jet ski in and, you know, working out which way to turn the wheel? So yeah, we've got that pleasure today. Kiran's going to be back in the ski in, so we'll see how we go. I know I was like Peter Griffin, all over the place, so hopefully he does a bit better than me. There's a rule that I learnt that if you look out the side mirror of your car and you see the left-hand side of the ski, you pull down to the left, so your steering wheel goes down the same side as what you can see to correct it. So if there's one little bit of advice, that's what I reckon.
Cool.
It didn't help me because I was all over the shop for a long time, but hopefully that will help you.
Cool. Maybe I'll be in left, right, and center. Maybe end up being Peter Griffin part 2.
Peter Griffin. They're doing pretty good. Like that. Push, especially the tip of that. Make sure you have control of the weight. Otherwise, you're gonna have the jet ski. You can't have control of the weight. Once you're pushing this, you slowly let go of your right. That's it. Well done. Perfect. 2 or 3 more. Okay, so that was a great day out on the water. I got a little bit seasick and then cold and wet, 12 to 15 knots. Yeah, so it wasn't ideal conditions. It's going into winter, but any day on the water is, is the best. You can't complain. I did come back a little bit early. It's 2 p.m. Kiran and Jojo are still out fishing, so I know Kiran had a couple of Tuskies and Jojo had a Hassa, and they're going to head out to the Fads. Hopefully they can catch a bit more out there. So still a great day, and yeah, see how they go. Hopefully when I hit the Fads there's a few mahi.
I'm taking out the whole bag. Oh no.
Okay, so what do we got in here? So Kiran got a couple of fish today. What do we got? Tusky.
That's the other Tusky.
Oh, Tusky Town.
Oh, hang on, how many? Oh, I thought I got few.
Oh, and a
3.
Hassa. You got what angles have we got? Oh, we got a front angle. We got. Have we got some side angles? You got to do the.
There you go.
Oh, pull them right apart or hold them.
Okay.
First time out this winter season. It's freezing. Heaps of fish, but they were not biting. Only Kiran hooked up a few, which is a very lucky one.
Lucky.
Where's all our fish? I think Kiran caught them all.